it's your girl Ken. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe. And as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig. Well, it's very easy, not really installed, but you know, and how I did this look. So if you would like to see how I achieved those things, then just keep watching.
You don't hear my line no more. You don't make it ring.
Okay, so this is the wig that I'm installing today, and technically I'm not installing, I'm just, you know, gluing it down. But to start out, I'm going to spray the wig. It's a water wave wig, so you wet it, it curls. Now I'm just brushing through the wig just to make sure there are no tangles or any, you know, knots, anything. To glue my wig down, I use this Got To Be Glue Ultra Glue gel, and this is very easy to apply and take off, so that's why I use it. Now I'm just putting on the wig, and when you do this, make sure you get the lace where you want it to be, because once the lace hits the glue and it dries, it's there until you remove it. Okay, so the easy part is done. Now I'm just going to put my hair back so it won't be in my way when I do my makeup, because that is so annoying. Okay, starting with this NYX Total Control Primer, I'm just going to apply that all over my face like you would do any primer. Now I'm applying my foundation, and usually I do my brows before I do my foundation, but today I decided to do my foundation first. And while I was doing this, I realized this foundation was a little too dark for me, but I made it work, so yeah. Now it's time for the brows, and I'm going to start out by brushing my brows out with a spoolie. Make sure you do this every time, because this helps you find your natural shape of your brow. To outline my brow, I'm just going to use this NYX brow pencil. Now it's time to clean up the brow. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer, my favorite concealer of all time. I'm just going to apply a little bit of this BH Cosmetics concealer onto my eyelids before I apply my shadow. For my shadow today, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be dipping into my blue and my pink colors. Next, I'm going to just cut my crease, and you can do a half crease, full crease, whatever you want to do. But today I decided to do a half crease, and after that I'm going to apply pink into my lid. Okay, now I'm just going to do a little wing liner. I'm not going overboard, because every time I try to go overboard, I mess up. So nope, not today. I'm going back in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm going to do my concealer to highlight my face. For contour today, I'm going to be using my Kat Von D palette, Shade and Light. And usually I use cream contour, but today I'm just going to use my powder contour. Not too much. To set my face, I'm going to be using this HD Flawless Setting Powder. And I'm just going to apply a little bit. I'm not going to really, bake it. I'm just going to apply it and brush right off. Time to apply lashes, and I'm using these Broadway lashes from my local beauty store. Nothing too expensive. I'm just going to do my lower lash line and go into my highlight. Now is the lips, and for my lips I'm just using my eyeshadow. I don't have a color for this look, so go to the eyeshadow where you don't have a color for your lip. Okay, this is the finished look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And tell me what you think about this look. Like, I love these colors. These colors just came together in my mind. I was like, what about a cotton candy look? Okay, blue and pink, two of my favorite colors. So before I go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications so you can know when I post my new videos, and become part of the family. So you won't miss out on anything I post. So yeah, this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys.